faith will make the miracle work. And remember, you cannot get from God with your tears. You can get from God by faith. Yes, brother? Okay. I want you to sing along. It's a simple hymn. Okay. And don't focus even for a moment for your healing. Okay. Are you all ready? Yeah, you can all stand. Unmute. When troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. One more time. Oh, my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and wait a while with me. One more time. When I am down and oh, my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burden me, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up. So I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up. One more time. You raise me up. You raise me up. Tell him one more time. You raise me up. Tell him one more time, you raise me up. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. Tell the Lord, you raise me up. One more time, you raise me up. You raise me up so I can on mountains. You raise me up. I am strong. You raise me up to more than I can be. Tell him again, I am strong. I am strong. You raise me up. I can stand on. You raise me up. I am strong. One more time, you raise me up. You raise me up. I am strong. Yes, my friend, when you carry those burdens in your heart, in your mind, you are extremely unproductive in the kingdom of God. Jesus is here with you. He loves you. And He's saying to you, cast all your cares unto me, because I care for you. Come on, give all your cares to Jesus and tell Him, Lord, I cast all my cares unto you because you love me, you care for me, and from now